Down and dirt, ninja style. Alright.
Another beautiful cold day in Australia. In Queensland, 6 degrees. Oh yeah, let's go to work, boys. Alright, this is the job for today. Another waffle pod. Everyday waffle pods. It's got a different rebate. Remember with the brackets? A bit stronger, holds itself up. It's got 16mm bar on the bottom. Next week. Yeah. What was I just saying? Concrete's here. We got the big partridge pump. Very nice fellas. Got a job for Lawrence. Mr. Torello. And the sun is just rising. Beautiful day. First truck is in. We got big Paul Torello today, the ground farmer of Bundaberg Concreting. We got Lucky as well. Hey Lucky. Alright. We got the first part in. Big Paul's on the ball float. Looking pretty good. It's nice, beautiful mud this morning. Nice and creamy.
Beautiful blokes in the mud, you mean?
What?
Beautiful blokes in the mud.
We got Mitchy Brown, the man from the all around town. Uluru. Kangaroo. Alright, we're just going to start pouring the next base. So this one's got 3 bays. One there, one over there, and one over there on the other side. Just 3 bays all the way back. Do it again. See if we get Lawrence on the hot stick. Maybe not. Lawrence is on the right. It's 8:30. She's all in. Took us 2 hours, Lawrence. Good stuff. And it's 200 squares, 2 hours, that's pretty good. Looking nice and flat. Boxing's beautiful. Everything's nice and straight. Boys are just doing the shower. Rebate over there, little shower. Partridge did an awesome job. Thanks, mate. And yeah, we'll try to get a video of something today. We'll work it out in a minute. Maybe Lawrence finishing. Okay, Lawrence has broken the first little part of the slab. It's taking a while to dry. Got the edges going.
Going.
Mitchell and Lachlan are getting stripping going, all that. They've already stripped all the bases around here. All the way up there already. They're onto it. 17 seconds it took them. 17. We use these big steel pegs. We use man pegs. Sometimes they're easy to pull out, eh, Mitch? But sometimes they're fucking pricks to pull out. They're stuck in the clay dirt, in the rocks and stuff. So you hit it a couple of different ways sometimes. Sometimes one way, and then she's out. No, this one's not coming. Nice. Okay, so we took the brackets off around here. Now Lawrence is going to come along and make it all nice. This is where they put the bricks on. See, this is for the bricky. This is like a brick footing. So that's the footing there as well. So this is the nicest footing they get.
The thick bricky.
Nice and easy. All it's got to do is be flat. Can't be too smooth. It doesn't want to be smooth because the mortar's got to stick to it. So.
Hey Lachlan, can you take them L brackets out? I'll do that and then keep taking them out.
Yeah, I've got everything unscrewed around here.
The L brackets are here. So they just sit on there. Alright, so you got to do that around the whole house as we go. Just to make sure. Oh, don't stab himself. Probably the most dangerous spot on the job site, right? I'll tell you right now, is right here. Behind this guy's ass. He fucking farts his head off this one. That's alright, mate.
Mine?
Yeah, fuck off, I know. My fart, I shit myself. So I can't fart. Okay. Before you're going to do the helicopter, and see Lawrence just went around his pipes. He just trowed around his own pipes. Sometimes we go up there and trow them for him, but
Not very often.
not very often. Lawrence always does it himself. He's got the blades nice and flat. Finish. Put things a little bit.
Hey, don't bite some out hot.
And I'm going to come along and do the edges here. In a minute. I'll just film a little bit of him going. So this is the second hit. Like I say, it might take us longer to screed sometimes, but our finished job is easy. And it has to be easy. If it's not easy, we'll lose it. You can't stuff around when it's going off. 1 minute it could be alright, next minute you finish. That quick. So he's breaking this bit, see footprints. Not very many footprints at all. Right. They always go up the sides first, so the guys that are edging can do their troweling. And it's always good to check, as you're going with the helicopter, go and check what's going off. You get to a spot where it's too wet, just come back. Alright. We'll try and get into it. We're just going to have a little quick break for a minute. While we're having a break, here's a shout out to one of the boys that watch the channel all the time. Check out his video, he's done a pretty awesome job. Awesome drone shots. Thanks, bro. Whole slabs nearly hit. Still the last bit down there. Well, it's taking a while. It's only early still. This is all looking nice. All the edges are done. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So he's hit it 3 times now, I think. Lawrence, how many times you hit it so far? Twice or 3?
Once here, twice there, and probably 3 there.
Yeah, yeah. So one more and then we'll probably stick trowel it. But I'll show you him on the helicopter when we get there. I've just in the shower tray. Awesome. That little first bit there is done. Stick trout off. Finished. Looks good. Just gotta do this bit as we go back and should be done. Boys are all stripped it all. Throw it on the truck and we're out of here. It's only 11:15, 11:30 or something. So we're doing good time so far. Slab's looking awesome. Good work, guys. Missed that. I was wondering, these guys, do these have portaloos? See our portaloos? No, I'm pissed off. I'll never go in it.
Show them American country proper screen, not a bit of timber.
Yeah, I told them. They know that already. This is our toilet for the job site. Pretty fucking good, eh? And it smells nice. This is the bludging spot. This is where all the bludgers bludge. Do his shit every morning. Alright, we've finished more now, all the way down to there, down there. All good, all good. Boys are racing us. The challenge is the stripper dudes have got to beat the finishing dudes. But most of the time the finishing dudes win. But when I was younger, I always won! These guys nearly win. Look, they're going to beat us, I reckon. They could. If we help them, they're going to definitely beat us. But Lauren's like, no. Nah, we'll help them. Well, we're getting there. I didn't get to show you too much today. I'm sorry, but shit happens. You know how it works. We got to get shit done. This rebate looks pretty good. See where the bricks went before? That's what we're talking about. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Oh, man.
Hard on the gear, Mitchie.
Alright, we're just doing the last tip now. These guys like these slabs a little bit furry, so we cannot polish them. That's why we stick throw it out at the end. So I'll leave a little bit of fur with the stick trowel. As soon as Lawrence hits it, I will hit it with the stick trowel. Right up his butt. Big glossy. Sorry, Jason. Someone just tried to call me. Why the quit change? Yeah.
Probably with this one.
saved the day.
Yeah, I was thinking that before. I think you probably going to take that down the pond. As you did. Nice tipper pole, that was.
Oh, well. Done.
Alright, I just got a little bit more to go. I got to trail around this edge, and that's it. And the boys have beat me, they reckon. They've beaten me and Lawrence. They've fucking stripped the job. They've done an awesome job, boys. But they're just putting this.
Bother shouting, man.
They're about to go set up another slab at the back here. Not today. Alright, that's it. I'm going to trail these edges and we're done. I'll say goodbye in a minute. You want to say anything, Lawrence?
Hurry goes. Oh, hey, what's that?
Do you want to say anything for the camera?
Oh, I'd just like to thank all of you.
For coming and awesome.
Thanks for all the support.
That's it. Keep watching. Subscribe. Leave a comment. Lawrence will answer it for you.
Yeah, I'll give it a go.
Yeah. Alright, that is the day over. Once again. Slab looks pretty good. I'll show you in a minute. Hope you liked that one. I know we didn't get too much of the actual helicopter and stuff, but we're just doing our best. You know us, we just try. It's getting hotter up here. It gets cold in the mornings, but it gets fucking hot as soon as the sun comes up. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, all that bullshit, and give us a thumbs up. If you can share the video, that'd be awesome. But yeah, another day down. I got tomorrow off, so I'll probably make that video about my YouTube channel tonight, and I'll put it up tomorrow. And this video will be up now because you just watched it. Anyway, beautiful day. Boys did good. They stripped before us. That's fucking 100 points to them. They can strip before I finish. That's fucking the best. All right, have fun, guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.